Nathi, good morning. The champions of Funda Udlale Nathi, good morning. The champions of Funda Udlale Nathi, good morning. First of all, ngiyabonga kakhulu yona sinabahle. You guys are beautiful. And if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be standing here today. Ngabe asihlangananga at all. So today presenter the progress snapshots of where we are with Ufan, our journey as a whole. Okay, le graph leyokuqala it represents our leaders. I hope you remember ukuthi we had 2 courses. One was done by our leaders, which was Funda Udlale Nathi leading the way. So it was basically talking about how to support umsebenzi waka ECD. So we had our leaders. We started with our leaders out 295. So we onboarded 295 leaders, our principals and supervisors of our ECD centers. And this was for English course. So it was 2. Either you chose bilingual or you chose English. So this one was for English. 295 were onboarded. For module 2, there was a slightly drop. Wow, 242 who moved forward to module 2, and 216 who completed module 3, 204 who completed module 4, 192 who completed module 5, and we finished with 188 principals and ECD supervisors. Can we give them a round of applause? For leaders, we did not have a target. We didn't have a target. Sometimes it does happen. You are a leader and you've got 3 teachers in your school or 4 teachers in your school, so we didn't have a target. But we completed with 188 for the English Leading the Way course. Then there was a bilingual course. Bilingual. Okay. So there was a bilingual for the leaders as well. We started with E100. We onboarded 100 principals and ECD supervisors. We moved to module 4 with 84 supervisors and principals. For module 3, it was 72. Module 4, it was 65. Module 5, it was 64. And we completed with 62 teachers. All right. So if we add 188 for the English course, plus the 62, it gives us 250 principals and ECD supervisors who completed our course, the Leading the Way.